Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power down the Xbox 360 and disconnect cables so you can move it safely. Once done, position the console so you can see the rear and the bottom panel clearly. The serial number isn't always obvious. Use a flashlight or phone light to illuminate small labels and emboss text. Make sure to check seams and recessed areas. This first visual sweep locates the label area quickly and avoids unnecessary disassembly. With the console positioned, search the bottom and rear panels for the factory sticker, often near vents, feet, or power and AV ports. Once you spot a sticker, clean it gently so text is legible. Dirt can obscure tiny characters. Read for the prefix labeled serial or S/N followed by a string of letters and numbers. This is the serial number you need. If the sticker is worn, tilt the console under light and adjust angle. Reflections reveal faint printing. After you find the serial number, write it down exactly. Don't omit dashes or letters. Once recorded, you can also verify it by powering the Xbox, going to System Settings, Console Settings, System Info, and confirming the serial shown matches the sticker. If the sticker is unreadable, try very gentle cleaning with a microfiber cloth. Avoid solvents. If still invisible, contact Xbox support and provide purchase details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.